kill the bitch.
You gotta go.
No,
Go to your house.
Sir, him come back.
Hey. Hey.
You see him come
Okay. All right, come here.
Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Consider subscribing to the channel and leave your comments below. Remember, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty. And as always, enjoy the video. On July 1st, 2018, some random hobo decided to camp his ass outside a hair salon owned by an Asian couple. He then spent the next 3 hours harassing all the customers for money until the business owners got fed up and called the police.
Customer come here, him test the last, ask money, the last what that. Some people come blame me, scare. I told him go, him no go. You see him drink beer too much, that's it. Sit here. I have picture. Sit here.
Okay.
Follow my customer, people come blame me.
Okay. You don't want to press charges?
Yeah. Here you go. Yeah. Every day, him not, because him
Which
not
story,
no
bro?
more.
Huh? Which story?
Him not,
Hey,
him
come
not
here.
no more. Him mental a little bit.
You got a place to go?
Yeah, shot.
What?
Kill my father, man.
Dog, what's in your ear?
My car back.
No.
Huh?
I run for never.
What?
Him told him don't care about
Hey,
it.
here's the thing.
She was private.
Okay. You gotta go.
My house.
You gotta go. Okay?
Kill the bitch.
You gotta go.
No,
Go to your house.
Sir, him come back.
Hey. Hey.
You see him come here.
Okay. All right, come here. Put your hands behind your back.
I'll go home.
Hey, I said put your hands behind your fucking back. Put your hands behind your back. Behind your back.
I was shot.
I said put your fucking hands behind your back.
God damn, bitch.
Told you I wanted to fucking speak with you.
Wow. Why?
G15
boy.
Oh. Yeah, there's no way.
Yes, ma'am. Show one male in custody and try to get a supervisor out of here for use of force.
That was a bitch.
Sorry, camera.
Oh, bitch.
Good boy, I'll check that.
Sorry, cat.
Let's go.
All right.
Go
Go right out.
Let's go.
All right. Go. Bitch. Just told you. Too damn tall.
Tell you I want to talk to you. You talk to me, okay? You don't blow up on me. That's not how it works.
Correct.
It's not how it works.
Count her correct. Come on, old tracks. That bitch know how to come about.
You might want to shut your fucking mouth. Here,
It's
let's do
super,
that.
man. I like you.
Stop.
Nobody likes you, that little bitch.
What? What do I see?
Oh, this is crack, dude. It's a long time, motherfucker.
Step out of your shoes. You got anything in your shoes?
No.
19 G15 boy.
Man, quit.
Can you roll HFD out here too? I got a suspect conscious and breathing, but he's got a cut to the head.
Goddamn bitch. Goddamn.
Did you get his info?
What's your name?
I can't see you real.
What's your name? Where do you live?
Correct, motherfucker. Silverado.
Silverado.
Chevy, man.
You live?
Chevy.
You live in Chevy?
Yeah, AJ. She ain't up, man.
What's your last name?
Fuck you, man.
Oh, we're gonna play that game?
Yeah, I'm gonna slip.
Okay, that would be another charge on you.
Hey,
That's cool.
it's gonna be best for you to cooperate, all right?
Man.
Can him come back?
No, he's not.
Many times he want me. I told go him. Me scared because he's not normal.
Right.
Yeah.
He's gonna go to.
Drinking right now.
He's gonna go to jail. He's gonna go to jail.
Yeah.
Can I get your information? This is your business, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Can license? Could you see if she has an ID? So this guy's not telling us who he is.
Okay.
All
Alright.
By the way, just letting you know he blowed up.
Okay.
So you might want to do something. You didn't tell us who you are now? Or are you gonna make us find out?
What's that? Gerardo?
Yeah.
Can you step out for me, please? Huh? Step out. Alright. Turn around. Turn around.
The mobile fingerprint reader identified the suspect as 53-year-old Derek Nauert. He was arrested on one felony case of retaliation and pled to 1 year in jail. In what will be a shock to nobody, he has been arrested countless times since this 2018 incident. His most recent arrest occurred this year, in 2023, for jerking off in front of a mother and child, and as of August 29, 2023, currently has open warrants for that case. Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, subscribe to the channel or become a member to get early access to new videos. See y'all in the next one.